In this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to log in PKO banking. So guys, all you have to do, go to Google and search for PKO Bank Polski and then click the first result. After that, friends, you will see this page. Click just login option. From the login option, if you have a business account or small business, click login from here, and then you will see this page. Just wait a few seconds. From here, guys, write your customer number or login, write your unique customer number, and then click this option. So guys, this is how you can do on the business. The same thing, just click this option from here, log in, and then guys, write your user ID. For example, this is my user ID, this is just for example, and then click this option. The same thing on the app, guys, just you can use the app from App Store or Play Store and download the app from this option, and then you can you log in. The same thing from here, you see this login option. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.